In this video, we are going to show you how to change your chess.com's board and pieces to look like Lichess pieces. So, of course, you need to be signed into your account, and once you are logged in, you want to just go to a random game. So, for example, let's just go to an analysis game. So we don't need to bother anybody else. So here on any chessboard, you can actually do puzzles or just play against another person. It's going to be the same interface. You want to click on the gear icon on the upper right corner of your board, right? So this is the one here, and this pop-up will appear. There are three options here: engine, interface, and board. Click on board, and under pieces, it's by default Neo. Make it bases. There you go. And when it comes to the board, instead of wood or whatever is your default, just go click on brown. And as you can see, it's kind of close to the Lichess board and pieces, but it's not 100%, but that's all you can do to make it look like that. And another way you can do something like this is go to the up lower left corner of your screen, your menu options here that are small, click on the settings or the cogwheel, click on all settings. And here you can actually customize your boards and pieces at the same time, as you can see. And then after that, you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.